happens. I get here and then I have to show you guys this, but I can't do this. I can't leave these on. I just feel like they're not me. I'll wear them for when I need to wear them, for like when I'm on my computer and stuff, probably. But I'm doing a segment more for the holidays, beauty and like stocking stuffers and things like that. And Beauty Blender sent this box. You guys got that. I love the Beauty Blender. I've used it for so long. But look at this. Look at this holiday. Like, this is before I'm showing it on TV. I gotta show you guys this. Hopefully it's okay that I'm showing it. I guess I should have checked that first, but I don't think it's... I'll show it. So, look at this box that I can't get open. Okay. And oh my god, this is so cute. It all looks like little crystals. Oh my god, so cute. Box came in. I'm trying to keep it together because I'm gonna need it to show on TV. But look at, they made colors for the holidays and little crystal soaps. I think these are the ones that you use to clean the Beauty Blender. How adorable is this? Look at this one. It's like a Christmas tree ornament, and it's called the Jewel. It's a mystery blender box. So cute. You know, they had all this stuff. Look at, they have a pore mineralizing primer, dry oil primer with SPF, and this radiance primer. I am so... Oh, I have so much to talk about. I just opened up, and it smelled so amazing when I opened it up. It's by Canna, Floria. I'm not sure if this is part of the Beauty Shortlist Awards or not. I don't see it on there, but it might possibly be. Not so good, because these are little pouches that they make called inhalation pouch to clear your senses, feel relief, or jumpstart the day. Oh my god. Whoa. Pressed nose and take essential health. I gotta read more about it. Cannabis, seed oil, there's a lot of stuff. So I will read about it and then tell you guys. Roll on. I gotta read more about it. Cannabis, seed oil, there's a lot of stuff. So I will read about it and then tell you guys. Roll on. This body lotion, mood boost, and hand cream. Oh my god, I gotta read about this stuff and tell you. These all smell amazing. This last box had 4 of these boxes, and I just opened it, and this looks really cool. It says Liquid Biocell. It's the name of the company is Mater. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. Anyway, this sounds really good. It is something you drink. It says increases skin's collagen content. I love. It's for like all over your body. I cannot wait to try this. Then they have other beauty products too that they sent to that are in the other boxes. So I have to go through them and read up on it, but it sounds like they have good stuff. This has nothing bad in it either, which